Have you ever felt your heart race, your palms sweat, and your thoughts spiral out of control? You're not alone. Anxiety is a common experience that affects millions. It can feel overwhelming, but there's hope. Mindfulness can help us regain control and find peace. Anxiety is more than just feeling stressed or worried. It's a natural human response that triggers physical and emotional changes. Our bodies go into fight or flight mode, preparing us to face a perceived threat. This leads to physical symptoms like a racing heart, muscle tension, and difficulty breathing. Emotionally, anxiety can manifest as excessive worry, fear, and restlessness. Thankfully, mindfulness offers a powerful antidote to anxiety. Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about noticing our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting swept away by them. When we practice mindfulness, we step out of the cycle of worry and fear, grounding ourselves in the here and now. A mindfulness kit is a personalized collection of items that can help you cope with anxiety and promote relaxation. Think of it as a toolbox for your mental well-being. It's filled with sensory objects, calming activities, and reminders to stay present. One essential item is a stress ball or a smooth stone. The physical act of squeezing or touching these objects can help ground you in the present moment and release tension. Add a small bottle of essential oil like lavender or peppermint, known for their calming properties. Inhale the scent whenever you need a moment of peace. Include a mindfulness journal in your kit. This is a safe space to write down your thoughts and feelings without judgment. You can use it for gratitude exercises, listing things you're thankful for, or simply to release anxious thoughts. Add a deck of guided mindfulness or breathing exercise cards. These cards provide step-by-step instructions for simple yet effective techniques to calm your mind and body. When anxiety strikes, your mindfulness kit can be your lifeline. The key is to engage your senses and shift your focus away from anxious thoughts. Let's explore practical ways to use the items in your kit. Hold your stress ball or smooth stone and notice its texture. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, inhaling the calming scent of your essential oil. Open your mindfulness journal and jot down any worries or anxieties swirling in your mind. This allows you to release them and create space for calmer thoughts. Select a breathing exercise card from your deck and follow the instructions. Deep, slow breaths activate the body's natural relaxation response. As you breathe, visualize each inhale bringing calmness and each exhale releasing tension. If you have calming music or nature sounds on your phone, put on your headphones and immerse yourself in the soothing melodies. Remember, building a consistent mindfulness practice takes time and effort. Your mindfulness kit is a valuable tool to support you on this journey. It provides a tangible reminder to prioritize your mental well-being and offers accessible techniques to navigate challenging emotions. Beyond using your kit during moments of anxiety, incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Practice mindful breathing for a few minutes each morning. Pay attention to the sensations of your body as you move throughout your day. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells of your surroundings. By weaving mindfulness into your life, you cultivate a sense of presence and awareness. This allows you to observe anxious thoughts without judgment, reducing their power over you. Remember, you are not your anxiety. With practice and the support of your mindfulness kit, you can find calm amidst the chaos and live a more peaceful, fulfilling life.